Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, I've got some amazing free plugins that you need to check out. If you watch till the end, I promise you're going to go and download these plugins immediately because they're super sick and they're free. What's not to love? So, anyways, the first one I got for you is this quiet piano. There's a couple cool presets in here. I do like this cold space preset. Yeah. I will say the humanization on this plugin is not the best, but the sound quality is definitely pretty amazing. These pianos are actually mixed pretty well, but it's completely free. You can just Google quiet piano and go ahead and download it. And yes, I also like this clean piano preset. It sounds pretty amazing. You can play with the cutoff knob. And moving on, you can see I've got a little bit of EQ. And now I'm going to throw on another free plugin called Fin Micro, the Finisher Micro. This just adds a vibe to whatever sample you put it on. It's super cool. It messes with the mix knob. You've got different modes. I really like Infinity and Space Grinder, but there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Dial back the mix a little bit. You can see it gives you a whole other vibe. Alright, now the next free plugin I've got for you guys is called Creepy Piano. This Coffin Rot preset is just amazing. Literally, it's a creepy piano. It's in the name, and it sounds incredible. There's actually a newer version that you can pick up, I think, Creepy Piano 3, but I still use this original one all the time. I'm probably going to go and buy the Creepy Piano 3 just because this one sounds incredible. There's a couple presets, but mainly this Coffin Rot is just my favorite. You can play with the attack time. You can play with the reverb, the release. You can even play with a little filter on there if you feel like it's getting a little too harsh. But overall, it's pre-mixed. There's nothing on this. Like, this is just what you get. It pretty amazing for a free piano plugin, if I do say so myself. With Quiet Piano and Creepy Piano, like, you've got some great sounds right out the gate. The next plugin I've got for you guys is going to be Zebralet. This is kind of a free version of Zebra, but it actually has some amazing sounding presets in here. Like any of these HS presets, they all sound smooth and are great for like West Coast beats, Travis Scott beats. Listen to that. Super trippy. Super trippy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a vibe, bro. And then, although it's not free, although it's not a free plugin, you can put halftime on here. It sounds super sick. Oh, I'll also put this free chorus plugin. It sounds amazing. I highly recommend this Tal Chorus. And then when you add the halftime back, it's just a vibe. Alright, I'm going to start kind of blending these in together a little bit. Nothing but free plugins. Of course, you add a little drums. Yeah. I mean, as you can see, these sound pretty great. yeah, as you can tell, sounds pretty awesome. With that, I want you guys to go check these plugins out. This is Schaefer Productions. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know this is going to be a lot of fun for you guys to mess with and making beats, so enjoy, and you guys have a good one.